All right, guys, today we're reviewing the Milwaukee 4-in-1 Lineman's Insulated Ratcheting Box Wrench. This is a really cool tool. You're not going to find highly polished, steel here. This is a lineman's wrench that is meant to be really, beat up. The gearing in it's very large, so what that's going to do is it's going to give you a lot of torque, or the ability to place a lot of torque on this wrench. And you're also going to find that this has a 1,000-volt rating on the handle. So got some nice insulation there. You'll see you also have a place for a lanyard. And in this case here, we are going to be able to extract or tighten 4 different fasteners with this one wrench. Now I've got 3 set up here, and you get the idea. So here's a 3/4, give you an idea of the ratcheting mechanism. We'll flip that over, back it up. Okay, so that's your 3/4. Now I'm gonna flip it over to the 1/2 inch. And we will go ahead and back this one on out. See if we can't move it by hand. Get this one backed out and on out of our way. Here we go. Go ahead and get the 3/4 on out of the way too. Again, this is all with one wrench. So this is your 3/4 inch here, and on the back side of this same end is the 5/8. Now, to the other end, this is going to be our 9/16. So we've already removed our 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch. Now we're going to check out the 9/16 ratcheting in. So let's go ahead and flip that and get her out of there. It's pretty loose in that hole, so I probably might be able to do it by hand. But you get the idea. Very, very handy wrench, very lightweight for a 4-in-1 wrench. Yeah, this would be real handy in the in your tool belt. Yeah, we'll go ahead and back that one out by hand, but you guys get the idea of it. So anyway, this is the 4-in-1. So you got 3/4, you got 5/8, you got 9/16, and you got a 1/2 inch. And that part number on this 4-in-1 Lineman's insulated ratcheting box wrench is 4822-9212. Hey, thanks for watching.